i35equipment.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to utilize your hydraulic quick attach system on a Komatsu Pc128 IsLc-11. This is the JRB system. If you're not familiar with it, it can seem a little tricky, but not too bad at all once you get acquainted with the system. First thing we're going to do here is hop on up in the machine, get it fired up. Go ahead and show you where your rocker switch is going to be located at for that hydraulic quick attach system. That's your rocker switch right there, and it won't just push over. You have to slide this down and then push it down, and you can hear the buzzer ringing to let you know, hey, use caution, it's loose or soon to be loose. So now to actually go through and do it, actually go through and do it. We're just gonna go ahead and shut our door. We've got our hydraulic lock released so we can operate the machine. We're gonna go to the safety cradle position, which is just like this. And we're gonna go ahead and operate it here with the bucket on. We'll take the bucket off, and then we're gonna operate it without the bucket on so you can see it, and then last we'll hop out of the machine and actually show you what it looks like up close in person. So gonna go ahead and release, then you're going to curl the bucket. The overflow then releases the hydraulic cylinder. What that is actually doing is retracting that hydraulic cylinder so that the bottom pin is released. Should be ready and good to go here. Just gotta uncurl the bucket. Yep, and it's gonna release and ready to go. Okay. Now, just to make the buzzing stop for a second, we're gonna lock it back down. Going to bring the quick attach system up here by the window so we can show you what it looks like. Okay, I know that's hard to see. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this window open here today, give you a better view. Perfect. All right, so zooming in on your quick attach here, you see that top, it just scoops under, stationary, but the bottom pin, you see that cylinder right there, it's activating that wedge, which is going to lock in on the bottom pin to keep your bucket from falling out. So going back to the rocker switch back here, we're unlocking. We're going to curl the bucket. You can see the wedge will be retracted. And that's all it does. And we're going to go back to lock and show you the cylinder latching. Perfect. So going back, easy as that. Pretty simple design, but it works great. Makes changing buckets super efficient. You don't have to be going back and forth with two people doing small movements and a lot of potential yelling and lots of sledgehammering to get those pins out. You just do it in a matter of moments. Bring your top pin, that's the first step. Then we're going to curl, raise it just a little bit so we have some space to work. Go back to your safety cradle position. Bring it up here, that way it cannot fall out. Go ahead and hit the rocker switch back here. You're gonna curl the bucket again. The overflow from the hydraulics of curling the bucket are sent to your quick attach system, which makes that hydraulic cylinder engage to latch the bottom pin. And then you test it. Wow, no one's around, of course. That way if it falls off accidentally, no one can get hurt if no one's around. And by now you'd see it falling off on the back, and at a full uncurl, of course, it would just fall right off. So always practice safety. Recommend doing this out in the middle of nowhere with no one around. That way no one can get hurt. Consult your operator's manual. And we're gonna hop out of the machine and show you what it looks like outside. All right, so here we are outside the machine. Gonna give you a close-up of how your hydraulic quick attach is working. You see we already have the bucket off and sitting here. What's happening here is you're just scooping that top pin like we said earlier, and then this gives you a good view of the hydraulic cylinder. And you can see it is currently extended out. That's your clamp right there. So that's all that's doing is the cylinder is coming out and extending out to where it wedges and keeps your back or bottom pin from releasing. Hope that video is beneficial to you. If you're in the market for used heavy equipment, check out our website, i35equipment.com. You might see our full and up-to-date inventory there. Appreciate you taking time to watch and hope you have a wonderful day.